English for Beginners. The day Emma found $1 million. One girl, one bag, $1 million. What happens next? One day, Emma walked to the park. Walked, moved with your feet. Park, a place with trees, grass, and benches. One day, Emma walked to the park. The park was quiet. The park was empty. Quiet. No sound. Very still. Empty. Nothing inside, no people or things. The park was quiet. The park was empty. On the ground, Emma saw a bag. Ground. The earth under your feet. Bag. Something used to carry things. On the ground, Emma saw a bag. A big, heavy bag, too big to ignore. Big, large in size. Ignore, to not look at or pay attention to something. A big, heavy bag, too big to ignore. Emma opened the bag. Opened, made something not closed. Bag, something used to carry things. Emma opened the bag. Inside the bag was money, a lot of money. Inside, in something. Money, coins or paper used to buy things. Inside the bag was money, a lot of money. She started counting the bills. 100, 200. Counting, saying numbers one after another. Bills, paper money. She started counting the bills. 100, 200, $1,000, $10,000, 1,000. The number 1,000 on its own and an amount when used with money, people, or things. Dollars. The money used in the United States. $1,000. $10,000. More, more, more. More than she ever imagined. More. A bigger amount. Imagined. Thought in your mind. More, more, more. More than she ever imagined. It was not 1,000. It was not 10,000. It was $1 million. 1 million. The number 1 million on its own, and an amount when used with money, people, or things. Dollars. The money used in the United States. It was $1 million. Emma looked left. Nobody was there. Left. The side of your body where your left hand is. The opposite of right. Nobody. No person. No one. Emma looked left. Nobody was there. Emma looked right. Still nobody. Right. The side of your body where your right hand is. The opposite of left. Nobody. No person. No one. Emma looked right. Still nobody. Emma held the bag. Her heart was beating fast. She thought to herself, "Is this real?" Held. Carried in her hands. Heart. The part of the body that pumps blood. Emma held the bag. Her heart was beating fast. She thought to herself, "Is this real?" What should she do? Keep it or give it back? Keep. Do not give away. Give it back. Return something to its owner. What should she do? Keep it or give it back? Suddenly, Emma opened the bag again. Suddenly, very quickly without warning. Opened. Made something not closed. Suddenly, Emma opened the bag again. She looked closely. Looked. Used her eyes to see something. Closely. Carefully. In detail. She looked closely. It was not money. It was chocolate. Chocolate money. Money, coins or paper used to buy things. Chocolate. Sweet food made from cocoa. It was not money. It was chocolate. Chocolate money. Emma laughed and ate the chocolate. It was the best and the tastiest $1,000,000 ever. Laughed. Made a happy sound like ha ha when something's funny. Ate. Put food in the mouth and swallowed it. Emma laughed and ate the chocolate. It was the best and the tastiest $1,000,000 ever. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe for more fun English lessons.